Hello everyone. This is Dr. Isha Diman and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Dr. Maths. It's been quite a long. I have not made any video lecture for you guys. So today here I am introducing my new video lecture series What, Why and How of Mathematics. So let me tell you the reason behind choosing this title. I believe whenever we are trying to learn any new topic or any concept, be it in any subject area, not necessarily in mathematics, we should ask ourselves these three questions: what it is, why we need to study this, or why is it so? And once you have decided to study that topic, then how to progress in the direction of learning. Only then we will be able to have a decent understanding of the subject to a reasonable extent if we got answers to these three questions. So that is the reason behind the title. So in this series, I have chosen the topics very carefully so that they form the foundation stone of all the areas of mathematics, be it at any level. Whether you are pursuing engineering, computer applications, having mathematics as its subject, graduation, post graduation, master's, or PhD, this is a place for you where you can learn the basics of mathematics. So, the first topic coming up is functions. Without any delay, let's get started.